and subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video with a boy Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Guys, thank you for supporting me through the YouTube channel, and if you are new to the channel, guys, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload a video you will be the first to receive the video. So in today's video I'm going to prepare some roast breadfruit and some curry crab. So I have the crab them outside, guys, in the bucket. Them not even clean up as yet. So I'm gonna walk you guys through the step of how I prepare the crab before currying the crab. So guys, see crab them there. I'm gonna show them how to do it. Water. I'm gonna use one teeth brush. Ready. So I am going to clean up the crab, guys. So how me clean up the crab, disable the pond, so the bigger pond them and the small one, and then clean off the pond them with a clean teeth brush. So now let's go through, clean off the entire two of them now, and then the crab done clean. Guys, you see that? Crab lock pouring up on the teeth brush. So I'm just going through and just clean up them. It's a faster process, guys. So you can just hold him on the bin and just break out the pan, guys. So it's an easier and faster process. So done clean out the crab them, guys. Just take off the toes and add them in the basin. Take off the tip of it. Add them into the basin. So may I break up the pan, just crack them. So when you crack the pan for the crab pan will get to absorb the juice and the season. So now clean up the crab, guys, the belly of the crab. So the mouth part, clean off it, and then we just put it on and cut it in two. So I'm just gonna go through with every one of them. I put on the breadfruit them for the fire. You know, my people set out the breadfruit them, make them go on roast. Yes, sir. So now me done cut up the crab and clean up it. I shred one little piece of ginger in it. And the ginger will help you add flavor to the crab. So I'm gonna use an onion. I'm gonna add a piece of sweet pepper. So the sweet pepper going to cook out anyway. So I'm just gonna chunk it and show it in it because the sweet pepper gonna cook out. I'm adding the scallion. So I'm gonna add some garlic. I'm gonna use some green pepper, 4 of them. So I'm adding the pepper base up after the how spicy I want the crab, so that's why I'm adding the pepper base up after the spice. So I'm gonna add some meat season. I'm gonna add some all-purpose season. And I'm gonna add some pimento seed. So I'm just gonna use a knife and crack them. I'm gonna add some curry powder. So I'm adding in some thyme. So guys, I'm putting on a gloves, a pair of gloves. Base up off for the amount of spice, which is the pepper. I'm gonna season the crab and taste the season, ensure that the seasoning is perfect. So I'm just rubbing in the season and then leave it to marinate for 20 minutes. So I'm checking on the breadfruit, guys. So I'm just turn the breadfruit them and I'm gonna roast And I go on with a bag of things. So these breadfruit are yellow heart breadfruit, so they are pretty much easy for roast. So the breadfruit them done roast, guys. So I'm gonna take them off of the fire, and then I'm gonna start prepare the curry crab. I'm gonna saute up some garlic, guys. Now the cooking oil. I'm going to add the curry in it, the bird, and it's just to add flavor. So I'm sauteing the curry with the garlic for about 1 minute. I'm gonna add in the crab. I'm gonna add some pumpkin, and the pumpkin is gonna help to give the crab a good pretty color, and the richness of the crab, a lot of flavors. My people, I'm checking on the curry crab, and I'm gonna add some Irish potato and carrot in it. So I'm gonna add some sweet pepper, but the sweet pepper will be the last thing that I'm adding into the curry crab. So I'm adding the bell pepper in it now. I just make the bell pepper then cook a little, and the crab dry down a little bit more. So the crab done cook. I'm going to take it off of the fire now. So the crab is looking great. I am at the end of the video, and this is the curry crab with roast breadfruit. If you like this video, guys, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload a video you will be the first to receive the content from my channel.